next up is going to be the junior chefs over here in Hollywoodland. See you there.
So today, junior chefs, we're going to learn something super special. We are going to learn how to bake something that's not only fun to make, but delicious to eat, Mr. Zachary. Happy birthday. Now, for today's recipe, I'm going to need a little bit of help in the kitchen, so I invited a very special guest to come and help me out. Are you ready? I think you are. I need you all to help me with a nice, big, warm welcome for the one, the only, Chef Goofy! That's right. You didn't know he was a chef? Oh, Goofy can do everything. We still have a few more ingredients to go. And now our next ingredient is going to be flour. Does anybody know what flour is? Anybody out there? You do? It's that white... Can I smell that? Oh, Goofy, you're the sweetest thing ever in the whole wide world. But you know what? That's not the kind of flour we're going to use in our cooking recipe, but thank you anyway. No, today we're going to use the nice white fluffy. That's right, it goes into all the cookies and bread. It is the main ingredient. But it is a dry ingredient, so we have to mix our dry ingredients separately together. So our next junior chef is going to move on to the blue bowl. See the blue bowl? You're going to put in 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Parents, come on, aren't they amazing? Oh, there goes our cookie timer. I think our magical oatmeal raisin cookies are ready. Chef Goofy, it is time to check the magic oven. Oh, this is going to be so good. Now, parents, you might want to get your cameras ready. Are you excited? I'm so excited, Buzz. He's having trouble with that hat, isn't he? All right, let's see here. What's it look like? Wow. Look what you made! You all did that. Give yourselves a hand. You know, that is one magical oatmeal raisin cookie if I ever saw one.
Well, I just got done listening to 2 live bands. The first one has a really funny name, the Grilled Cheese Soundwich, and then La La Brass. I'm going to put clips from here, from both of them, back to back. Hope you enjoy them.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Disney California Adventure Food and Wine Festival is proud to present Grilled Cheese Soundwich.
Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Styling, whining, living it up in the city. I got chucks on, we standing the wrong. Gotta kiss myself, it's so pretty. I'm too high, we'll give it a shot. Oh, take my hand and we'll make it our way.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Disney California Adventure Food and Wine Festival is proud to present La La Brass.
pirates. It's going onto the bridge, but you know, nothing too bad. But you know, considering it's a Monday during the quote-unquote off-season, it's pretty big. Wait, I'm waiting for the jambalaya jazz or the other one that's similar. I forget what it's called. You know, the jazz band in New Orleans Square. Just waiting for them here, and I decided to get a ice cream sandwich, Mickey's, a premium ice cream sandwich that is. They also have a Mickey's ice cream bar too. I'm guessing that's just covered in chocolate instead of cookie. Yeah, cookie-ish. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this and see you then. Hey Neon's back over here at DCA. I actually saw when the jambalaya jazz came out in New Orleans Square that was gonna be way too crowded, like to watch them pleasurably without people stepping in front all the time. So I just came back over here. I'm gonna actually try the beer-battered cod with steak fries, sweet slaw, and spice. I believe it's pronounced MacLeod. It's like tartar sauce, except not. We'll see how it goes. Hey Neons, actually over here in Carsland now. I finished up my beer-battered cod with MacLeod. I believe that's how you say it. Anyway, yeah, it was pretty good. You see the video right there. Got the 2 pieces of fish, the steak fries. The coleslaw wasn't fantastic. It was kind of bland actually, so I didn't finish that. But I finished everything else. The fries were well seasoned. The fish, it wasn't overcooked. It was just right. And the sauce was pretty good. It had a little bit of spice in the back, but definitely not overpowering or anything. They actually initially forgot to bring that out, so they brought it to the table. You take your number and you go and sit down. They bring it to you, and it's like, hey, there's no sauce here. So I went up and asked, and there's no problem. They gave me the sauce and the vinegar, and I brought my own ketchup from the little condiment stand. But yeah, good experience all in all. Pretty pretty familiar for me because I usually get the fish and chips from Golden Horseshoe. But hey, a little more upscale, if you will, for fish and chips. But yeah, nice. I would get it again. And I'm going to be waiting for DJs now, trying to get kind of the other side of the other set. Let's see if it's this one or the next show. Okay, hey Neon, so heading back to Disneyland. Just got finished with, well, part of DJ's Dance and Drive. I believe that's what it's called. But the reason why I say part of it is, I'm watching the show, and then these people who came late and had a kid dancing in the middle kept walking back and forth, and then they stopped and stood right in front of me and another guy who had been there for a while. Just stayed there, couldn't even watch the show because they're dead in the way. I'll put in a little clip right here so you can see. Aren't considerate. They don't think of other people. Like, you're supposed to be behind this line. It's not like there's extra area up there where you're supposed to be standing. And they knew it too. They were just, thinking of only themselves. It's just sad. And that was the last DJ for the night, so disappointed in that. Disappointed in people, really, but now it's time to head back to Disneyland and get happier. Yay! So I was riding the trolley a little bit, and I heard we weren't going all the way down to the front of the park there. We'd be stopping Carthay Circle because they'd be doing kind of their version of Kiss Goodnight, which is when the characters ride the trolley, I guess up to this point, and they got off and waved goodbye. Actually, right over there and waved goodbye. It was Mickey, Minnie, and Goofy. I don't know if it's a bit busier and Donald's out that he'd ride there too. I suppose he would. It would be nice to see Donald, but hey, Goofy is my main man or dog. It is the year of the dog after all. So, yay for that. Okay, hey Neons, I'm in Toontown as you can see. I don't know what these big poles are with the light. I don't think they were here before. I can almost certainly guarantee they weren't. Was there some sort of event here in Toontown that I was not aware of? Must have been something. Huh. Yeah, they're like all down here, like they had, I don't know, a party? It's not a parade in Toontown. Very strange, all the way around this area.
Anything may be yours, young sister, but who? Another realm might see. Their powers untold, far greater than yours. Come, beware. Only the grievous may uncover this mystery. Dost thou have courage?
I don't know about this.
Dare you look deeper?
Sure.
Then
Magic mirror on the wall. All the forces of evil I call.
you have the power to
Control his mind. Yes, how exciting. Let's do it. Now you will deal with me and all the powers of my imagination.
in the car right now. Just pull off because I remembered I forgot to sign off with you guys. Saw Fantasmic. I was standing the whole time. I wanted a standing seat because last time I was sitting, my feet fell asleep many times. So I'd rather stand. Anyway, see you next time, Neons. Good night.